In the heart of medieval England, during the twilight of the 12th century, a tale unfolds of a knight who would leave an indelible mark on the annals of history, Sir Percival. Born to a humble blacksmith in the quaint village of Winchester, Percival was not endowed with any royal blood or wealth, but he possessed an unwavering courage that was unparalleled among his peers. The villagers often spoke of the looming fear that gripped their hearts as the dreaded Black Knight, a menace who terrorized the land, grew bolder with each passing day. The Black Knight, a merciless conqueror, demanded tribute from the local populace and left nothing but destruction in his wake. One fateful day, the Black Knight descended upon Winchester, demanding one final tribute from the villagers. Percival, now a young man of great strength and honor, could not stand idly by as his loved ones suffered. With his heart pounding and his resolve unyielding, Percival stepped forward to confront the Black Knight. The villagers watched in horror as the two titans squared off, each wielding weapons forged from the fiery heart of a volcano. The battle raged on for what seemed like an eternity, the clash of steel echoing through the valley. The Black Knight, a formidable foe, showed no signs of weakness. Yet, Percival, driven by the love and protection he held for his village, fought on. With a mighty blow, Percival shattered the Black Knight's legendary sword, sending the villain reeling. As the demon fell to his knees, Percival raised his own sword high, ready to deliver the final blow. But instead, Percival spoke, "I will not take your life. Instead, I ask that you leave this land, never to return. Spread fear no more." The Black Knight, defeated and humbled, agreed to Percival's terms, and he retreated into the darkness from whence he came. The people of Winchester rejoiced, their hearts filled with gratitude and awe. Sir Percival, hailed as a hero, was knighted by the grateful king. His legend would live on, a beacon of courage and honor that would inspire generations to come. And though the years took their toll, the spirit of Sir Percival remained, a testament to the indomitable will of a humble blacksmith's son who dared to defy the darkness and save his people.